Hello students, welcome to our class. I hope you are very well and enjoying at home with the learning also. As in the previous classes, we have discussed about the conic section and its types. There was four type of conic sections. The first is circle, second is parabola, third is ellipse, and fourth one is hyperbola. And as per the previous classes, we have been discussed about the conditions of making all these conic sections depending on the angles alpha and beta. Now today we are going to learn about a specific conic section, that name is circle. To learn circles, we have to know what is a circle actually. First of all, so what is a circle? Then we can say circle is the locus of a point which moves in such a way that it remains a fixed distance from a fixed point. That means we have here a point O that is fixed, and if we draw the path or locus of a moving point P, then we can find the circle. There will a question, maybe you have a doubt, sir, what is a locus? Then as in the previous classes I have been discussed to you that locus is the path traced by a moving point in a plane under some geometric restrictions or conditions. That means the path traced by a moving point in a plane under given geometrical condition is known as locus. And the locus of a moving point which is at a fixed distance from a fixed point is known as circle. This fixed point is known as center. This is center. And this fixed distance OP, that is known as radius. This is radius, and we can represent radius as R. So now to find the equations of circle, we will use the distance formula of two-dimensional geometry, and we know very well the distance formula, distance between points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, that is point A and B, is AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here we have a point O and another point P, x comma y. There are three type of equations that can represent a circle. The first one is simplest form or standard form. The second is geometrical form. Second is general form, and the third is central form. But somewhere you can find another form, that is diameter form also, that is not included in your syllabus. We are going to discuss the first one, that is simple form, simplest form. Simplest form. The first one is simplest form. in the simplest form, we will consider the center is at the origin. That means this point O lies on 0, comma 0. That is the origin. So, since that R distance, OP distance is R, remains constant everywhere throughout the circle, so we will use distance formula by distance formula OP is equal to under root, as per the given formula, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. And as we know, what is OP? OP is the radius that represented by R is equal to under root x minus 0, that is x square, plus y minus 0, that is y square. And on squaring both sides, we will get R square is equal to x square plus y square. So we can say equation of a circle having center at origin and radius R is, this will be x square plus y square is equal to R square, and that is known as simplest form or standard form of the circle. Now coming to the next form, that is central form. The second one is central form. As per the name, you can consider that central form consists a center, but that center will not lie on the origin only. As in the standard form, the center will always lies on the origin, but in this central form, the center can lie and at any place, at any point. So if we have the circle with the center O, and let the coordinates of the center is h, k, and in the as a previous, p will be x, y, because it is variable, and r will again remains constant, as per the radius is always constant. So now by distance formula, we can say the distance r is equal to, that is OP is equal to r, and that will be equal to under root x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. On squaring both sides, we will get r square is equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, and this is the central form. This equation is known as the central form of the equation, of the circle. So we can write in a statement, if center of a circle lies on h, k, and its radius is its radius is r, then equation of circle is, it will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This will be the central form of the circle. I hope it is clear to all of you. And after this, we are going to solve some questions dependent on this. Now we have a question that find the equation of the circle whose center lies at the origin and having a radius 5 units. So by standard form, the equation of circle having a radius r and center at origin is, that is, x square plus y square is equal to r square. On putting r is equal to 5, that is radius given in the question. Required equation of circle is, this will be x square plus y square is equal to 5 square, or it will be x square plus y square is equal to 25. This is the required answer. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now we have the question, that is, find the equation of the circle with center 0, 2 and the radius 2. To find this, now we will use which form? That is center form, because its center doesn't lies on the origin, it lies on 0, 2, that is other than the origin. So we will use the central form. Equation of the circle having center h, k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Putting h, k is equal to 0, 2 and r is equal to 2 in above equation 1, that is equation number 1. So we will get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 square. On solving this, we will get x square plus y square plus 4 minus 4y, because y minus 2 whole square, that is a minus b whole square, is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 4. So it will become x square, because 4 is cancelled out by the 4 this side. So x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0, and that is the required equation circle. Now the third and the most important form, that is general form. As we know, the central form of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. On expanding both the terms, we will get x square plus h square minus 2xh plus y square plus k square minus 2yk is equal to r square. Considering, because x and y are variables, so we will consider that together, x square plus y square plus it will be minus 2xh minus 2yk and plus h square plus k square is equal to r square. Taking r square in this side, we will get x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus r square is equal to 0. Now we can see, as we know the h and k are constant, as h comma k is any given point or coordinate, so we can say that h and k both are constant, so h square and k square is also constant. Radius will also constant. So hold the term h square plus k square minus r square will be a constant. So we can write here x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus c is equal to 0, where c is a constant and where c is a constant and c is equal to h square plus k square minus r square. Now it can be also written in the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Where, as you know, c is equal to h square plus k square minus r square, and where g is equal to minus h, f is equal to minus k, and c is equal to h square plus k square minus r square. And that is the standard form. That is the standard form of, that is the general form of circle. That is known as general form. General form of circle. Where if that is the general form, this is the general form, then we have to, if we have to find the radius and the center, then the center in this form, center is minus g comma minus f, and as you know, c is equal to h square plus k square minus r square. So if we take r square this side and c will be that side, then r square is equal to h square plus k square minus c. So r is equal to under root h square plus k square minus c. So center is minus g comma minus f, and radius r is equal to under root g square, because if we take minus g here, minus g square plus minus f square minus c as per the equation. So h is equal to minus g, k is equal to minus f. So minus g square is also equal to g square. So g square plus f square minus c. That will be the radius of the given equation circle. I hope that is clear to all of you, and you can solve the questions dependent on the circle, equations of the circle. I will provide you all the PDFs in the group, and you should solve all the questions. Some questions will be solved by my side, and some questions will be your homework, and that must be solved by you at home. I hope that is clear to all of you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.